Hello, we welcome you to Salary Box, one and only channel for innovative business ideas and entrepreneurs. If you're new here, then hit the subscribe button and bell icon to join the club. Coronavirus pandemic has impacted businesses all over the world. These five sectors, however, are actually benefiting from the current situation. COVID-19 has brought many disruptions across different sectors, from suspending flights and trains to restricting the movement of people and vehicles. It has had a large scale impact on the Indian economy. However, some sectors are also considering this hour of crisis as an opportunity to innovate and expand. Keep watching till the end when we give you a detailed analysis on five sectors most likely to benefit from the current situation. First sector to look out is education. With institutes closed and regular classes on hold during the lockdown period, online learning has emerged as most viable tool for educators looking to ensure that the pandemic's impact on the learners' academic progress is minimized. Multiple platforms are offering high discounts on various courses and many classes are even being conducted for free. As a result, virtual classes and online learning have suddenly become the norm instead of novelty. Even as conventional models are reshaped to make learning more personalized, engaging, and interactive. Even before the COVID 19 outbreak, a study forecasted the Indian online education market to grow $18 billion by the year 2022. Can you believe that? The pandemic has only served to accelerate this growth by making it essential for educators and learners to adapt more efficient digital processes and tools. Survive and thrive is the new mantra for players in the education sector. Second sector that will definitely boom after the lockdown is e-retail. While most Indian households still rely on the neighborhood stores for grocery, many have lately been switching to online retail platforms like Grofers, Milk Basket and Big Basket. The reason behind this is to ensure with these social distancing norms, and players in this space are capitalizing on this trend to establish themselves as an integral part of the daily grocery fulfillment value chain. Huge discounts are currently being offered on various items while to ensure that the needs of all are fulfilled on the purchase of essential goods. Given the rise in demands, most players are witnessing a 20% to 80% surge in their order volumes despite challenges like order delays and cancellations. In a way, the lockdown is gradually changing the mindsets of consumers and encouraging them to switch to online grocery shopping. This indicates that online grocery will be a sunrise sector in the long term, even after the COVID 19 chapter comes to a close. Third sector to look out is BFSI, banking, financial services, and insurance. The Indian banking industry witnessed an unprecedented growth since the 2008 financial crisis up until about a couple of months before the COVID 19 outbreak. A looming slowdown has now been experienced as the entire economy comes to a halt. The crisis, however, is also providing the BFSI space with an unparalleled opportunity to bring about a fundamental change in the way that it functions. India is basically a cash driven economy that, despite large scale measures such as demonetization, has not been outgrowing its dependence on cash. This seems to be changing as the viral nature of the novel coronavirus has made Indians adopt no cash paying methods. The time is perfect for players in the BFSI space to reinvent themselves and test newer business models that are more digitally driven. Fourth sector is medical. As people adopt better personal hygiene practices in the post COVID 19 world, the consumption of nutrition and wellness products is expected to see a rise. At present, the products like disinfectants and sanitizers are recording the highest sales, a trend that seems likely to continue and become deeply ingrained in consumer behavior. Fitness products like fitness tracking gadgets and apps are also seeing a surge in demand. This shift in mindset towards healthier living opens the door for collaborations between fitness product manufacturers and healthcare providers, creating a positive impact on the country's GDP in the coming years. Moreover, as people turn into the online medium, provisions like online medicine delivery and teleconsulting, which is already seeing stellar growth owing to the lockdown, will rise even further in the future. We might also see more healthcare oriented investment from private and public sectors as the country enhances its healthcare infrastructure in the wake of the ongoing pandemic. This will have a twofold impact on the Indian economy. Firstly, essential healthcare services will become more accessible, available, and affordable for the mass consumer. Secondly, and just as importantly, the number of employment opportunities will also explode. Last sector to look out is information technology. India's $180 billion IT sector has a heavy dependence on businesses from the US and Europe, making its fortunes integrally linked with the performance of these international markets. As top clients from these regions reduce their IT spending in the wake of COVID-19 outbreak, Indian IT companies should leverage their core value proposition and restructure their existing offerings at competitive price points. This will help players to survive in the short term while preparing them to capitalize on the digital opportunity that will come knocking at their doors once the world goes digital. The growth isn't limited to just these sectors and will surely extend itself into many avenues of the Indian economy. As the economy slowly starts juggling back to normal term after lockdown lifts, it will be interesting to see how these transformations play out for the existing infrastructure and larger community. Hope you will find this video informative and insightful. Do leave a like and comment below for more videos like this.